Great start. Grammy, Grammy. Do your tits hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Good. Hey, boobs. Don't you wish your girlfriend had mushroom hair like me?
He had me pinned and began spanking me furiously. His face twisted.
Alright, calm down. Hello everybody, watch me try and pretend that I'm not a raging lunatic arsehat for the next hour. Oh, Grampy foot.
I'm doing great, can you tell? I'm clearly not losing my mind!
Shibbity whoop, 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 whoop. I haven't shaved my legs in months. Okay, thanks. If they're and it's while you're oh, a little higher. So, hey guys. Hello, my little chickadees. Away with thee. That's eBay, that's not TikTok. Vagina cramp. Vagina cramp. Ah, I've been sat down too long. Ah, vagina cramp. Huh?
Why are we doing our vids so early?
It's not early, it's like 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime.
Oh. Why did lunch happen so early?
Well then after we've done this we can get a big fat McDonald's. Chicky nuggies!
I'm standing on my chair and having a dance party.
Get off the chair and the dance party, let's go!
Standing on my chair.
Moo, 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 moo. Will you focus? So, I got... Oh god, I'm dying.
All I can hear is the neighbours screaming next door.
See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads.
Ourselves independently while staying friends. Despite his terrible mistake, I'm struggling with one question.
Ben! Sorry, Phil. I am a lady, I promise. Pardon me. Welcome to my channel. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. Hand noise. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know the words. Woo. No, don't do that. That's really cringy. That is the cringiest thing you've ever done on your channel, Emily. Battery's running out! Ah! Someone call the police! You're right. Yeah.
What time did you want to go, sorry?
About 6. What's the time now?
10 to 5.
Oh shit, I better hurry up, okay.
I'll leave you to it. Sorry, I didn't want to interrupt.
Things are gonna get weird! Drowning! I'm sinking! I haven't shaved my legs in months. Let them eat cake, motherfucker. God, my nails look so long. They're real as well. This is what not being a job you hate does for you. Are you cold, sweetie?
Yes.
Do you want a blanket? I've got me Crocs still, and I don't want to pack. Ben! Ben! Recycling! We saved the planet. Helga, what are you doing, mate? Helga! Resenting the years and my heredity. Sorry, a little burp there. Head over to my Patreon. I need a fart. How are you doing? There is something on my screen. What is that? Get it off. So when I have the jacket, is it recording? Everyone's messaging me now. It's like as soon as I sit down to film, everyone messages me. No one wants to know me before I sit down to film. If they don't. Oh, let's get comfy before we start work. So, Philip, goodbye. I don't want to work like there's tomorrow. No. 99% pure water. So I'm gonna smash my camera if it doesn't start focusing. My ass! Kiss my ass! God, reflection. I will exterminate you. Sort my background out. Can't let anybody know it's not really painted on the wall. Oh, I'm wasting away. Oh, bit cold.
Wait, is it more disgusting than in my corner?
Your corner was pretty rank. They give me Philip. Philip, shh!
Without fail, each time we go out,
God, Emily, you're a man. I have a little beard. Pardon me. Oh, my bum's stuck to the floor. Finally. Excuse me. Don't do it again! Don't do it again! Like, I put this bag here to stop you. Long live the king! Long live... This is who we should have coronated. Not Charles. Oh my god. There is so... Oh my god, I'm knocking everything off.
You ever had a canary?
This is so... I feel like a giant baby. This better be right. Now I'm convinced it's the Turkish part. Now I am convinced it's the Turkish barbers. Hey guys! Sort my hair out. How does it look? Shit, great. Stand up! Or both of them up here. I've got... Wake up, Emily. I gotta plug my camera in because it's about to go off. Because when you buy them, they never come with a full battery, do they? Battery. How do I look? As crap as always. N is for the way you nut at me. There's makeup on my wall. Away with thee! My nose ring is snotting. And stay weird. Oh, just bit the inside of my mouth. What doing? I love you. I've just put my hand in paint. There's a spider looking at me. Tits look alright, good. I will be back. Pardon me. Oh my fucking... Ah! Twitch! Twitch! Is that blurry? I can't see because my eyes are so messed up. Mrs. Whiny Pants.
Oh!
That's how you want to play it, is it? In that case, you're grounded. I'm such a freaking idiot. There's snot dripping down my nose. It's in like a Bermuda. I love a top of the cropped variety.
I've called hand attack.
Ain't your body like an S-Club gonna show you how. Pardon me. I tuck my blanket in my pants so you don't see my rolls. I'm just finding up to say I've shot myself. Am I in focus? If the tattoo... So... Why can't I just be pretty? Say on fire! Oh dear. Jesus. Great start. If you don't focus, I'm going to stab you in the eye. What's that? There's nothing on it. Just to add screen... Cut my head off. What's her name? Marie Antoinette. Click on the Ko-Fi. Oh, I'm gonna need a picture of you on a toilet. I can sing! That's why they call me Fat Lady. Don't make me laugh. Silly Billy. Silly Wabbit. Yeah, hello. Hi, baby. Hi.
You could pick up the slack.
Hey, boobs, welcome.
I'm physically unable to do any chores because
Turn that
I
off. Filled with last kiss before I go. These. Ooh. Bless me. Just a second, we're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to love again. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, a little higher. So I just got dropped off at the train station. I'm gonna have to put lipstick on. I hate this so much. I'm guessing that's. But when they have pets in the studio, do you know how stretch out without her? Like I just shut up, Farrah. I could really do without extra noise. I'm gonna fart. Sorry. Boring myself. Hey, but why am I blue? Why am I blue? I'm blue. Oh, I didn't turn my music off. Copyright. Oh, stop. And you can kiss my ass. And the competition got shake away, shake away. Am I taking my lipstick off? I am. Oh. God, this video is a complete disaster. Why am I so bright? My channel! Ow. That one hurt my feelings. Oh, I'm a lady. Am I?